We're here in Dusseldorf, Germany, the vibrant city of culture, Christmas markets and designer shops. We're taking you inside one of the city's most stylish boutique hotels. Stick around to the end as we share how we only paid €105 a night and bagged ourselves an upgrade to a suite. So let's get to it. The Hotel Muze is located in the heart of Dusseldorf, only a 7-minute walk to the Christmas market and the designer shopping district. And the bus stop and tram stop is right outside the front of the hotel entrance. We caught the train from the airport to the hotel and it only took us 25 minutes. From the moment you step into the lobby, you're greeted with a warm, contemporary atmosphere. There's even complimentary water available in the lobby area. The hotel has a small bar on the right-hand side of the lobby, which is also where breakfast is served in the morning. The bar is run by the reception team, so be wary. The lady told us she didn't even know how to make cocktails, so the options were pretty limited. Now let's have a look around our suite. Our suite was on the 6th floor, offering brilliant views across Dusseldorf, so we'll show you them in a minute. The hallway was pretty small. We were in room 62. When you first enter, you are greeted by the living space with a nice comfy sofa, as well as a seated chair and a rug, which makes it feel really nice and cozy. There's then a desk with a large TV opposite the sofa with a lamp and also complimentary water and an apple, which was very random. This room did have air conditioning and also heating, depending on what season you go. We also liked how well it was designed, maximising all the space. You had 2 different wardrobe areas, as well as large mirrors, and underneath in this cupboard was your safe and also some storage space. The room came with an espresso machine with complimentary coffee capsules and an espresso tea, which I have not seen before, and it was actually really delicious. We stored our large suitcase underneath the unit, which was a great idea, as well as having robes in the room for 2 people. There was also a mini fridge which was left empty, which meaning that you could fill it up with any of your drinks, ideal for the summer months. So this room was all open plan. There was no doors separating the living space to the bedroom. The bedroom was on the smaller side, however there was plenty of room to get out of the bed, and the bed was a king size and it was really comfy. As it's a modern hotel, you also had a USB port and the standard European plug socket, as well as a telephone on the side. So let's head into the bathroom. It was on the larger size. When you first enter, you've got the sink straight in front of you, a heated towel rail, and also a hairdryer on the left-hand side. You've got your hand wash, body lotion, and hand lotion as well as a range of amenities on the shelf above the sink. There's also plenty of storage to store your skincare on the side of the sink, which is great. The toilet was a Toto toilet, which meant it was an automatic with loads of different functions, which is a Japanese toilet. The shower was a little disappointed as it was trickly, wasn't really great pressure. However, the handheld shower was fine. They had shower gel, shampoo and conditioner included. And now I like to be honest with this. So as there's no glass doors, the water was trickling all over the floor. So it got really slippery, and we have made the reception aware because you could easily fall over and slip. So the bathroom, bedroom and also suite was really nice modern design. We had a great time in the room and found that we had ample space, especially with our large suitcase. And as you can see with all of the curtains, there is loads of windows, which meaning there was great natural light in the room. Let's head on out to the balcony. So this was a complimentary upgrade to get the balcony. It was really greatly decorated, had loads of different seating options, as well as a table, which I think is ideal in the summer months. We arrived in the winter, so we didn't spend much time out here. There was a gorgeous view all across the park and the surrounding area. Now, I'm sure you want to know how we got our free upgrade to a suite, including the balcony. So this hotel is part of the Accor brand, which means we're a silver status and we get complimentary room upgrades and welcome drinks. It's so easy to join and get these benefits for free. We've shared in our specific video on how to get free stuff, so check it out. So there you have it. If you're planning a trip to Dusseldorf, the Muze Hotel is the perfect place to stay for a modern and stylish hotel, right in the heart of the action, as well as being a bargain at €211 for 2 nights. We found the cheapest time to stay was at the end of November before the crowds arrive for the Christmas markets in December. We received an exclusive rate and you can do too, so comment the word hotel deals and I'll reach out to you to share how. It doesn't stop there. If you'd like to take a look inside the Dusseldorf Christmas market or fancy visiting the Cologne markets, check out our dedicated videos where we share the markets, where to visit and what to avoid, as well as the best time to visit to avoid all of the crowds. Drop us a comment to let us know where you'd like us to travel to next so we can bring you some new content. And don't forget to subscribe to never miss out on any other travelling top tips. We'll see you next time.